Hello, welcome to Cooking with Dr. Mishkaro. This is a tactic for next raid, and I'm going to teach you how to cook tuna omelette. You just need tuna and eggs. And this is a very good meal for you. So I eat every day. And you only need, oh caralho, this, a spoon, Portuguese iced tea, and this for making the omelette. You break the eggs and then do this. Play with the eggs a bit. Careful with the can. It might cut. It's better than Berserker attribute. And then the tuna is on the eggs. You can start to put the iced tea on the fridge and do the magic. Ooh. Around. Now this is very dangerous, so I'll put all inside. I need to go with the spoon. Now you see it's now so beautiful, and you have time to go to study the raid strategy again for tomorrow. Take your time. If you are really pro, you can try to do trick. I'm going to try. I read in the book, so it's going fine. If you don't try this at home, only with a proper supervision. It's getting good aspect. Now back to the plan. Okay. Now it's done. I'm going to eat. Have a good meals. And remember, this is the pants edition. If you want to see the no pants edition, go to the other side. Follow me for the next video, how to speak English perfectly to get chicks, and the next after that the recipe how to do chicks and ships.